Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be putting together a temporary carport to store my equipment and my tractor here out of the weather and rain. So the carport I'm going to be setting up today, purchased this from Walmart, and I'll leave the link down in the description below as well as right here on the screen. If you're interested, you can check that out. But this was just over $200, really good size for what I need, and it's really easy to set up, which is perfect. So this should be temporary max. I'm thinking 2 years before I build a carport permanent structure for my tractor and other pieces of equipment to be stored underneath out of the weather. So I'm going to speed up the process of putting this together. I used the instructions and they were pretty clear for the most part on what needed to be done. So I'll just be following those and trying to get this done as quickly as I can. Now that should pretty much finish up the structure of the tent. I have a few corner brackets to put in, but my girls were a huge help doing this. They had a lot of fun building it and passing me all the pieces I needed. They really took it seriously. It was a lot of fun. But you basically could leave this carport like this without the sides and the back and front, and it's really nice and bright inside. I'm actually going to be closing it in, trying to keep out as much dust as possible, and so I'm going to put the sides and the back on. It came from with the front as well, but my tractor's roll bar won't make it through the opening of that front tarp, so I'll leave it off for now and maybe use it later if I end up storing my tractor somewhere else. This is also not the permanent space that I want this carport to be in. I'm just going to rope this down just temporarily so the wind doesn't take this away while I'm prepping the new space for this to go. Now I'm going to start putting up the walls, and these go up really fast. They just have Velcro straps that will strap to all the piping, the frame of the tent, and the tarp itself, I wasn't sure what to expect when I purchased it online. It definitely didn't show the material, and this is basically just the standard tarp material. And if you've seen tarps out in the weather over time, after several years, they will start breaking down and fraying and sort of shredding. And so I'm not anticipating this lasting that long because it doesn't feel like a very strong fabric in my opinion. It is fairly lightweight. But with that said, for $200, I was really impressed with the quality of this. Even though it is lightweight, I'm not intending it to be a permanent solution. This is more short term for a couple of years, and it definitely seems like the quality would easily last 2 years. This was also approved by my job inspector. So now that this is finished, I've assembled everything. I'm gonna start prepping the area for the carport to go, and I've been meaning to level this out and get it ready for a permanent lean-to come off of the shed there for storage, but I haven't gotten around to it. So now I'm gonna knock that out real quick. So this is looking a lot better. It's just enough space for my carport to go here. I'm going to do a bit more work to this, add some gravel over top, and extend the bank out a bit further. I probably also need to do something with the bank to keep it from eroding, maybe put in a retaining wall. But if anybody has any recommendations, let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear what ideas you guys have for that. So this turned out really well. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're looking for a temporary carport or something that will last several years, I would definitely recommend this. It's currently on sale for just over $200 on Walmart's website, and I would definitely recommend this. Alright guys, I'm just wrapping this up by leveling the tent and then roping it down to make sure it doesn't blow away on me. You can see I still need to add some fill in here to level it out a bit better, and I'll put in some gravel later on. But that should give you a good idea of what this carport is like and how easy it is to set up, and was maybe helpful for someone. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, hit that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.